This is the digital complaints management demonstrator, specifically the mobile application called Complane. There are 5 stages to this complaints process, and we shall see how Melanie is kept up to date and her feedback is gained throughout the process. Melanie has visited her local bank branch to discuss her mortgage. She wanted to adjust her payments. She's been told it's not possible, even though the mortgage was advertised as being flexible. She goes home and tweets her dissatisfaction. The Alamere call centre agent picks up on Melanie's tweet and tweets back. He then has a click to chat and tells her that he will open a formal complaint and send her an application to help her monitor the complaints process. This has started the formal complaints process. She downloads the Complane application. And logs in. From the Complane dashboard, she clicks on My Complaint. She can see the details of the complaint and confirms they are correct. She can also see where we are in the process and the stages we'll go through to resolve the complaint. The complaint process moves on. The complaints investigator will now collect information from departments within the bank and further information from Melanie. Melanie is asked to upload an image of her passport. Later she receives another notification asking her to review the misleading advert. She sees the complaint is still in the investigation stage. Yes, this is the misleading advert. The resolution manager decides it's a valid complaint and Melanie is updated through a notification. Melanie can see the current status of the case. Stage 4. The finance manager approves the offer to be made to Melanie. Melanie receives notification of the offer. If Melanie had any questions, she could tweet, make a phone call, use messaging, email, or even use Alamere's social networking software. Melanie accepts the offer. Melanie is now happy with Alamere and decides to put an update on Twitter. Stage 5. Melanie has accepted the offer. Now let's switch to Melanie and see her receive the voucher and the satisfaction survey. Melanie can see the thank you details and clicks through to the voucher. Next she receives the satisfaction survey, which she's happy to respond to. Melanie now receives this new marketing offer. This looks interesting, she'll investigate it further. Okay, let's summarise on what we've seen. We've seen Alamere pick up on an unhappy customer via Twitter. They contacted the customer and then opened a formal complaint. They provided a complaints application to Melanie to keep her up to date throughout the process. She was requested for more information, provided documentation, etc., and finally an offer was made. On accepting the offer, feedback was gained from Melanie, and finally a marketing offer was made.